Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about SAP ABAP Encapsulation. So, encapsulation is an object-oriented programming concept that binds together data and functions that manipulate the data and keeps both safe from outside interference and misuse. Data encapsulation led to the important loop concept of data hiding. Encapsulation is a mechanism of bundling the data and the functions that use them, and data abstraction is a mechanism of exposing only the interfaces and hiding the implementation details from the user. ABAP supports the properties of encapsulation and data hiding through the creation of user-defined types called classes. So a class can contain a private, protected and public members, and by default all items defined in a class are private. Encapsulation by interface. Encapsulation actually means one attribute and method could be modified in different classes. Hence, a data and method can have different form and logic that can be hidden to separate a class. So let us consider encapsulation by interface. Interface is used when we need to create one method with a different functionality in different classes. Here the name of the method need to be changed, and the same method will have to be implemented in different class implementation. So the program contains an interface and we have declared attribute and a method. We also have defined two classes, class 1 and class 2. So we have to implement the method 1 in both the class implementation, and we have implemented the method 1 in different classes. In start of selection, we create two objects, object 1 and object 2 for two classes. Then we call the method by different objects to get the function declared in separate classes. Data text 1 and then methods class 1 definition, class 2 definition, class 1 implementation, class 2 implementation, then start of selection. Data object 1 type ref to class 1, object 2 type ref to class 2, create object 1 object 2 and call method. So the code produces the output class 1 interface method and class 2 interface method. Encapsulated classes do not have a lot of dependencies on the outside world. Moreover, the interactions that they do with external clients are controlled through stabilized public interface. That is, an encapsulated class and its clients are loosely coupled. For the most part, classes with well-defined interfaces can be plugged into another context. And when designed correctly, encapsulated classes become reusable software assets. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP Encapsulation. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.